bakit tayong umabot sa punto na 'to na parang nagiging regular itong pag-censorship sa mga docu.
Kasi nga dami ng takot, parang ano na lang, we're afraid to ruffle some feathers. Uh, and a lot of, parang it all boils down to pera-pera. Yun yung nagiging ano na parang, um, some of these platforms, of course, we have sponsors, para wag nating awayin, baka mag-back out yung mga sponsors. So, parang tayo, kung ano na lang yung sinunod, yung kung ano lang yung sabihin ng mga malalaking bosses, parang sumusunod na lang tayo. And it's very ironic because we are a democratic country. We're supposed to, enjoy this freedom of expression, and that's a healthy barometer of a democratic country. If your artists are able to express themselves, if people are given the chance to express themselves. Pero nangyayari, parang shallow democracy. Actually, hindi nga democracy, shallow democracy, because there's just a lot of noise being propagated out there, being allowed, to swim on the surface while they do their graft and corruption underneath. So parang inaaliw lang tayo. Mag-away-away kayo dyan, magtalo-talo kayo dyan. Pero ginagawa ng mga tao yung behind the scene, may ginagawa silang hindi maganda. Um, so that's where documentaries come in, because we have the patience to really wait and see ano bang nangyayari, ano bang totoo. Especially observational documentary, because you cannot script that. It's very unscripted, and you cannot dictate how the situation would flow.